Toss the test results out the window, the Atlas's V6 engine pulls this big lug around town just fine. A slick shifting automatic transmission handles gear changes with velvety aplomb, though it is sometimes reluctant to downshift in lower speed city driving. The Atlas shares its 3.6-liter V6 engine with the two-row Touareg SUV. Here, it serves up 276 horsepower and drives the front or all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The V6 feels and sounds refined, transmitting nary's shiver into the cabin. Though the Atlas fairly sauntered from 0 to 60 miles per hour in our testing, out on the road it rarely feels underpowered. However, the transmission is sometimes slow to downshift for extra merging or passing power. Switching to the sports setting solves this problem but creates another: the engine stays wound up too high at typical suburban traffic speeds. All of this has us wondering how well the 235 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, scheduled to join the lineup in the fall of 2017, will motivate the big Atlas. The Turbo 4 will be fitted to the lighter front drive models only. A 5,000-pound tow rating should be more than enough to satisfy most users, but for heavy-duty demands the Dodge Durango is worth a closer look.